Imagine this. You finally close on your first home. It's a beautiful place with a white picket fence and everything you ever wanted. You feel proud, accomplished, like you've achieved the American dream. But what happens when the roof starts to leak or the property taxes skyrocket? Suddenly, that dream starts to feel a lot like a financial burden. Real estate can be a fantastic investment, but it's not for the faint of heart. It takes careful planning and a deep understanding of the market. Don't just buy into the hype. Educate yourself and make decisions that align with your financial goals. The real estate market is like a roller coaster, full of ups and downs. One minute prices are soaring and the next they're plummeting. Right now, we're in a period of high volatility. Interest rates are climbing, which means borrowing money is more expensive. This impacts affordability for both buyers and investors. Higher rates mean higher mortgage payments, making it tougher to turn a profit. Plus, when interest rates rise, demand can cool down, potentially leading to price corrections. It's crucial to remember that real estate is cyclical. What goes up must come down, and vice versa. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Do your research, understand the current market conditions in your area, and be prepared for fluctuations. One of the biggest draws of real estate is the promise of passive income. The idea of collecting rent checks every month without lifting a finger is certainly appealing, but the reality of being a landlord is often far less glamorous. Being a landlord is a job. You're responsible for finding and managing tenants, handling maintenance and repairs, and dealing with late payments or property damage. All of this takes time, effort, and money. Before you dive into rental property ownership, ask yourself if you're prepared to take on these responsibilities. If not, you might find yourself trading one job for another, just with less appealing benefits. Can real estate keep up? Real estate is often touted as a hedge against inflation. As the cost of goods and services rises, so too does the value of your property, right? Well, it's not always that simple. Timing is everything. Analyze the market carefully and make informed decisions. Section 5. The long game appreciation and building equity. One of the biggest advantages of real estate is its potential for long-term appreciation. Unlike a car that loses value the moment you drive it off the lot, a well-maintained property in a desirable location tends to increase in value over time. As you pay down your mortgage, you also build equity, which is the portion of your home that you actually own. This equity can be tapped into later for renovations, investments, or even to purchase additional properties. However, it's important to remember that appreciation is not guaranteed. Market fluctuations, economic downturns, and even changes in the neighborhood can impact property values. Section 6. Risks and rewards. Navigating the real estate maze. Like any investment, real estate comes with its fair share of risks. You could face unexpected repairs, difficult tenants, or even a decline in property values. It's essential to go into any real estate deal with your eyes wide open. Before you invest, do your due diligence. Get a professional inspection, research the local market, and understand the legal and financial implications of property ownership. Have a solid plan in place, including an exit strategy. Don't be afraid to walk away from a deal that doesn't feel right. Remember, there are always other opportunities out there. Section 7. The bottom line. Is real estate right for you? So, is real estate a financial trap or a path to wealth? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. It depends on your financial situation, your risk tolerance, and your willingness to put in the work. Real estate can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Before you jump into the real estate market, educate yourself, seek advice from trusted professionals, and make sure it aligns with your overall financial goals. Remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself.